numbers, patterns and letters. I know, you learn it very well. Well then, keep it up. Now, today, we will learn something new. Now you've grown up child now. अब आप बड़े हो गए हो. And all of you want to write all the things. You want to learn how to write all the letters and numbers. So now, here I am to share some tricks how to write the letters. Okay? अब हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं प्रिंट लेटर्स से. देखिए, जनरली इंग्लिश में हम लोग लेटर्स को दो पैटर्न में सीखते हैं. फॉर नर्सरी चाइल्ड, हियर वी यूज प्रिंट लेटर्स ओनली. और ये सारे प्रिंट लेटर्स हम हमेशा सारे पैटर्न्स को ध्यान में रखकर बनाते हैं. आपने अभी जितने भी पैटर्न सीखे हैं ना, स्लैंडिंग लाइन, स्लीपिंग लाइन, कर्व, अपवर्ड, डाउनवर्ड मूवमेंट्स, जितने भी मूवमेंट्स अभी आपने ग्रिपिंग पेंसिल की ग्रिपिंग के साथ सीखे हैं, हम उन सभी को राइटिंग के लिए एज अ ट्रिक यूज करते हैं. सो शुड वी स्टार्ट? हियर वी गो. दिस इज अ स्लेट. Now here you see there are four lines. Four lines. First line is capital line. Second line is straight. And now whenever you start to write, you have to start it from base line to capital line. अब मेरी आगे. Okay, now we will start the letters, which will start with standing line, sleeping line, slanting line. Okay, should we start? Okay, now here I am sharing you some tricks how to write the letters. First letter is T. Sorry. Now we will learn how to write L. For L, first of all, we will give two dots between the three lines. Now, join the dots. Make a standing line here. Now this dot is joined with this one. So you have to make a sleeping line here. Standing line from this to this and sleeping line from this to this. Again we will try. First dot is here, second dot, third. For L, you have to join as standing line. Now, sleeping line. L. Standing line. Sleeping line. L. Next letter. Next letter is T. T. For T, again, we have to start it with a capital line. Okay? So, you have to make a dot here. T. As you all know, T. We are having one sleeping line and one standing line for T. Okay? So, first we will make sleeping line. Make two dots over here and one dot in the center. Now we will join all the dots here. Sleeping line, standing line. Again we will try. Okay. Make two dots over here. One dot in the center. Now we will join all the dots as sleeping line, standing line. you have to touch the third line, third row of line. Okay? So this is T. This is letter T. Okay. Next letter is 3. So I hope you will try this pattern to write these letters, and I know you will definitely do it. Now we will move on to our next letter. Okay? This next letter is very easy and you love to make it. Okay? The next letter is I. I for ice cream. And all of you love this. Okay. So we will learn how to write I in your 3-line copy, 4-line copy. For writing the I letter, first of all, you have to make 2 dots in between the 3 lines. Here you see 1, 2, 3. In between the 3 lines, we have to make 2 dots only. Now we will join these 2 dots with the help of standing line. Standing line. I. Sometimes some children may try to make I with the help of standing line as well as a sleeping line also. We will follow the pattern also. Okay? So now here I am sharing you how to write I. You can write I in this pattern also. Standing line, 1 sleeping line over here and another sleeping line over here. So see, it is very easy. So till now we learn the letters L, T, I. Okay, and if you notice, all the letters are made up with standing line and sleeping line only. Just try it. We'll meet you soon. Bye. Now the next letter is F. F for fish. F for fan. Very good. Now, oh wow, you already did it. Okay, now here I go. 1 dot is here, another dot is on the 3rd line. Now we will join the standing line. Standing line. Now here we need 2 sleeping lines also. So for that we will join this dot with this one. And another line, another dot is this. Now we will join the dots. 1 sleeping line, 2 sleeping line. So how we write the F? 1 standing line, sleeping line and another sleeping line. F. Again we will try. Make 2 dots over here. Join the dots with the help of standing line. Very good. Now make 1 sleeping line. Very good. Another sleeping line in the middle of the standing line. Very good. F. F for fish. Now the next letter in the series is E. Yes, our Zuzu is here. E for elephant. Yes, very good. E for egg also, and it is very nutritious. So, how to write E, my dear kids? Again, make a dot over here. Very good. You are doing quite nice. Now, these are 2 dots. Arrange the dots with the help of standing line. Yay! Now, we will arrange the standing line with 3 sleeping lines. For this here, I already made 3 dots. Now join the dots. 1 sleeping line, 2 sleeping line and 3 sleeping line. E. E for elephant. Again we will try. Now let me see. You are making a knot. Okay. Very good. Make a dot over here. Another dot. Join the dots with standing line. Standing line. Very good. Now we will join 3 sleeping lines over here. 1, 2, 3. E. So you all learn how to write the letters with the help of standing line as well as sleeping line. Okay? Now we will move on to our next pattern. See you in the next video. Bye. Hey kids, hope you are practicing very well. अब तक आप सभी ने हमने जो ट्रिक्स आपसे शेयर की थी स्टैंडिंग लाइन और स्लीपिंग लाइन से लेटर्स लिखने की, आई होप आप सब ने उसकी बहुत अच्छी प्रैक्टिस की होगी. नाउ वी विल मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट पैटर्न एंड आई विल शो यू हाउ टू राइट ऑल द लेटर्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस पैटर्न. ओके, सो अब हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं नेक्स्ट पैटर्न व्हिच इज स्लैंटिंग लाइन. वेरी नाइस, बहुत अच्छी प्रैक्टिस चल रही है या नहीं? ओके, so these are slanting lines. Slanting lines को हम यहाँ पर 2 पैटर्न्स में क्रिएट कर चुके हैं, करना सीख चुके हैं. एंड आई होप आप सबने बहुत अच्छी ट्रेसिंग की प्रैक्टिस करी होगी. ओके, वी विल मूव ऑन नाउ. तो स्लैंटिंग लाइन को हम इन 2 पैटर्न्स में क्रिएट करते हैं. ओके, एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ दीज पैटर्न्स in English letters you will write variety of letters. Now I will tell you how to write all the letters. So first letter we'll try with the help of slanting line is the pattern. So now we will learn how to write the letter with the help of slanting line. Okay, first of all what we will do here now? Very good. Make 2 dots over here in between these 3 lines only. Do not touch the 4th line. Very good. Now here we will make 2 dots for making one slanting line. For this next dot is over here. You will see all the 3 dots. Okay, now we will join these 3 dots. First of all, keep your pencil here. Now move and join it with this dot. Next, again the same dot. We will move on to next one. Very nice. Now here we will add one sleeping line in the center of the slanting line. Now make a sleeping line over here. Yay! You're right. A. Very good. You recognize it very well. This is the letter A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and yes, A for alligator. So this is the letter A and A. यहाँ पर हमने क्या किया है? We will make one slanting line over here from this dot to this. Again you have to join this to this and join it with one sleeping line. Again we will try. Make a dot over here. Oh, very nice. You are doing it very well. Now one slanting line, another slanting line, and join it with one sleeping line. A. Now we will move on to next letter, and next letter is K. We will move on to K. Okay, as you all know, K कैसे बनता है K? One sleeping line and of course 2 slanting line. This is the sign language. I'll teach you later. Okay, So now we will try how to make K. First of all, कहाँ पे डॉट बना रहे हैं हम? Very good. Make it at right place. Make a dot over here. Another one is here. Now we will join it with one standing line. Standing line. Now in the center of this line, make a dot over here and one dot here and here. Now we will join all the dots with the help of slanting line. Very good. Now make a line. Very good. Next is very good. K. Again we will try how to write K. Make one standing line. Very good. दोनों डॉट्स को जोड़कर हमने क्या बनाई? Make one standing line. Now we will put another dot over here in the middle of this line. Here and here. And join it. Very good. Very good. K. This letter is K. K for kite. Very good. Next letter, what we will write with the help of slanting line is M. Yes, you recognize it very well. M for monkey. Very good. Now, कहाँ पर dot बना रहे हैं हम? Good. Excellent. Make a dot over here on the capital line. Next dot here on the third line. Now, after making these two dots, make another two dots here. Okay? इन दो dots के सामने हमें और दो dots बनाने हैं. Very good. Now we will join the dots with the help of standing line, second standing line, and in the middle of this we will join it with two slanting lines. Okay? Now see carefully how I am joining here all the two lines. Okay? One slanting line, two slanting line. M. M. Three. Okay, so now we will learn how to write M. Yes, you recognize it very well. M for monkey. So, how to write? Make a dot. सही जगह पर बनाना है. Capital line से start करना है. Okay? We will make a dot over here and on the third line also. Very good. Now make two more dots parallel to these dots. One, two. Now here you have to join these four dots with the help of standing line. Very good. Now make one standing line over here and another standing line over here. Okay? Now you have to put one dot in the center of this third line. And now we will join it with slanting line. See it carefully because ये letter हम पहली बार कर रहे हैं. Okay? So see, here I am joining this dot. One slanting line, two slanting line. Again, एक बार फिर से ध्यान से देखिए. Four dots. One standing line, another standing line. In the center of the third line, one slanting line, another slanting line. M. M. M for monkey. Very good. And Maggie also. We all love it. But कभी-कभी खानी चाहिए. Okay, next letter here, what we are trying to learn is Now next letter what we are trying to learn right here is N. N for nest. Very good. Now dot कहाँ से बनाना है? Be careful for this. अब आप बहुत प्रैक्टिस में आ चुके हैं. Very good. Make a dot on capital line. 1, 2. इनके पैरेलल साइड में और 2 डॉट्स बनाने हैं हमें. 1, 2. Now we have to join all the dots together. So standing line, another standing line, and one slanting line in the center. Diagonally आपको इसको ऐड करना बेटा. Like from this dot to this dot. Okay? Slanting line. Slanting line. N. N for nest. Again we will try. Make 4 dots parallelly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will join it with the help of one standing line, 2 standing line, and yes, you're right, one slanting line in the center. Very good. Keep it up. N. This is the letter N. Now we will move on to our next letter. That is V. V for van. Okay, it is very easy, you know. You have to make 3 dots like this. 1, 2. बनाया आपने? Good. 1, 2, and 3 in the center of the line. Very good. Now join all the dots together. One slanting line, another slanting line, and the letter is V. V for van. Now you want to learn next letter? Okay, we will move on to next letter, which is W. Watch. Wrist. Okay, so W. It is very easy to make W with the help of slanting line. Okay, so all I have to rub this letters. Make the dots कहाँ पर? Capital line पे. Very good. Make the dot over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the middle of the line, 5. We have to make. Sorry, now we will learn how to write W. W for watch. W for wrist. And now we will learn how to write W. Here, as you all know, हमने पहले ही क्या लिखा हुआ है? V. V की प्रैक्टिस हमने अच्छे से की थी. With the help of 2 slanting line, we will make V. And for W, we will follow the same concept. बस एक छोटी सी trick है. The trick is, yes, again we have to make 3 dots first. 1, 2, 3. इसके बाद हम इस सेंटर डॉट से और 2 डॉट्स को डायगोनली ऐड करते हैं. ओके, सो हियर वी आर मेकिंग 1 and 2. Now we will join all the dots. See carefully. पहले ध्यान से देखिए, फिर बनाइए. Very good. Now we will join the dots. 1 slanting line. Another slanting line. One more. Again join the dot. W. ओके, फिर से बनाए, थोड़ा सा रह गया शायद, फिर से ट्राई करते हैं. मेक अ डॉट ओवर हियर, slanting position पे एक और, like this. Yes. Now join all the dots. One slanting line, another slanting line, one more. Next. W. Very good. You did it very well. Practice it more. Definitely you will do it. Now the next letter is X. Okay? X for Christmas. The xylophone actually. Okay. Now we will learn how to write X. It is very easy, you know. You have to make only 4 dots, but by crossing each other. सबको एक दूसरे से क्रॉस करना है इसके लिए. But how to cross? Now see carefully, learn carefully, then only write on your copy. Okay? Make 1 dot over here, another dot over here. It is in slanting position. Look carefully. Okay? Again, 1 dot over here, another dot over here. Okay? After making the dots, you find you already make the dot in this position, parallel position. But for practicing by yourself, you have to always practice X with the help of slanting line position only. Okay? So now what we will do? We will join all the dots. Now one slanting line and another slanting line. See? We will cross in the middle. Okay? So one slanting line, another slanting line. X. X. Very good. I know it is very easy and you are so happy to write it. Again we will try letter X. Make 4 dots in slanting position. Don't use the shortcuts. Again, slanting position. Now arrange the dots with the help of slanting line. 1 and 2. X. Okay. Now the next letter which we will try is Y. Y. Y for yak. Okay. How to write Y? It is very easy, you know. But here again you have to be very careful because यहाँ पर हम V के जैसे ही Y को बनाने वाले हैं. Look at this. 1 dot, another dot, one in the center of this line, and last one is over here. I hope you find all the dots. Now here I am joining all the dots. One slanting line, another slanting line, and we will join it with the help of one standing line. Y. Y. Again we will try. Okay. Again make 2 dots over here. One somewhere in the middle of the line. Another dot. Okay, now join all the dots. One slanting line, another slanting line, and one standing line. Y. Y. And the last letter which we are here writing with the help of slanting line is okay, and the last letter which we try here after write Z. Z कैसे लिखते हैं हम अब ये सीखेंगे. Z इसलिए because Z एक ऐसा लेटर है जिसमें 2 स्लीपिंग लाइन और 1 स्लैंटिंग लाइन होता है. Okay? Now we will learn how to write Z. For this, first of all, you have to make dots. Yes, very good. Dots on your copy. Now make 1 and 2 dots like this on a capital line. Make 2 dots. Next dot. Again 1 and 2. Okay. Now very carefully आपको बहुत ध्यान से देखना है कि मैं इन डॉट्स को अरेंज कैसे कर रही हूँ. Make 1 sleeping line over here. Okay. Join it with the help of 1 slanting line and 1 more sleeping line. The letter is Z. Zebra. Z. Again we will make 4 dots. Join all the dots. 1 sleeping line. And connect it with 1 slanting line. And 1 more sleeping line. Z. Z. Sleeping line. Slanting line. Sleeping line. Z. That was zebra. Zebra. So here are all the patterns with. So here you learn all the letters with the help of slanting line, how to write it with the help of slanting line. Okay? Keep practicing, keep doing it very well, and must see all the videos very carefully for the more and more patterns. We will meet you in the next video. Bye.